Welcome to the channel. This is my next project out of many which I'm planning to do. Basically, I got this one. I'm planning to make it work or test if it works. There's a few stuff that need to be repaired, some cleanup to do, check the cable, and then I'm planning to connect this one. I got this, it's not a sponsorship, I just got this X-Link BT HD. So I can connect the phone to this one. I need an adapter and some cable here. Adapter to this, since I got it from US. It's the correct voltage, but wrong plug. And my idea is to fix this, connect this here, and then I can use this one to connect this phone to my mobile phone with Bluetooth. So I can leave my mobile phone charging, and I have this in my apartment on the table as a normal phone. Yes, I'm old. I really miss these old phones. Okay, this is especially pretty. I always wanted. This is the Ericofon or something like this called, or as we call it in Finland, Ericsson Cobra. Made for Finnish Helsinki phone service for network. Yeah, looks really nice. I have no idea where to begin with. I'm just reading the schematics and manuals, and I think in the next second when this, you will see me already working on it. So if you didn't notice, there's some paint spots here and there, and so I'm scratching them. Good way, never to use acetone or any strong alcohols, because they can melt the plastic, depending on the type of plastic. So one good one is to use a nail. If it's just on surface, nail doesn't really scratch the plastic much or at all, because the nails are soft. But if you get it correctly, it kind of removes the part eventually. Then the other one is taking these topsies, whatever you call them nowadays, and you can just rub on it, and just from the mildest method upwards only. Okay, I will continue cleaning this one up from the paint drops, and see you then. I guess we'll be tackling opening this device or something else. See you. So inside the phone was this schematics, and there was a diagram in here. I will zoom in so that you can see it. I think it's got some serial number DBJ014. It says 7/11/68 Eden. So 68 is the year this phone is from. Cool. Okay, I think I will roll it and put it back. That's where it belongs. All components appear to be okay too. This rubber sleeve was out of place, so I put that in place. I think there's nothing else to do but close it and test it. Okay, I will close it and then let's see if it will work. Phone is now back together. It's clean. I don't think I will polish it more. It's got some bit scuff marks from its age and use. And I was thinking about removing this, because this used to be like the sign of the company you connected to in Finland. Not sure which phone company this is, but it's part of its history, so I'm letting it be there. It's nice, it's really clean. Cables, everything works fine. Dials are nice. No cracks anywhere. And now I'm just going to connect it. So I'll show you what I did. So this cable is connected to this plug, but I'm not going to connect this to our network anymore. We have these plugs in the walls, but they could work, but you can't have a connection like this in Finland anymore. They don't exist. I mean, okay, they do exist, but as far as I understood, if you already have one, it still works, and businesses that have one, but for private you can't get new ones. So this is the way to adapt from this plug here into this plug here into this RJ connector here. RJ connector goes to this device, which I bought, called X-Link BT, I think Bluetooth HD. It's a Bluetooth button and a ring button. So I will connect it to power supply. You can see the lights blinking. So the basic idea of this is you can connect any phone to this, even really old rotary phones like mine, and even really old rotary phones. And basically you connect with a Bluetooth your own mobile phone to this, so that when someone calls you, instead of answering a mobile phone, it goes to your rotary phone, old phone, landline phone. And when you want to call, instead of using a mobile phone, you can just use your rotary phone. It connects to whoever it connects. You're calling via your mobile phone and the Bluetooth connection. So very handy device. There was a few other, I think at least one other brand of this type available from online. I think some was sold by Amazon. I think I got mine from Amazon, probably. I don't remember anymore. Anyway, let's give it a try. So now it's connected, and I should test this button, and we should hear ringing. Interesting sound. Okay, now I lift it, it should end, yeah. I hope you heard that. Toot, toot, toot. Because it's busy because there's no mobile phone connected to this device. So, all I can say, it works. A beautiful phone that is now will be back in use in my home. I will make a table for it and a chair next to it, so I can just, like old times, someone calls me, I can sit next to the table, take this phone and use it. And I really love dialing phone numbers with this one. It works perfectly with this X-Link BDHD. So having this one combination with I always kind of dreamed about this. I've seen it in exhibitions and movies and so on, but now having my own red Cobra, Ericsson Cobra, Ericofon as it's called, it's really nice. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.